Hi friends, this question is from test series 5. Subject name is TOC and the topic name is CFG and CFL and it is of 2 marks. Let us see the question. Consider the following grammar: G with start symbol S. S tends to A or B, A equal to A tends to AA or AX, B tends to BB or XB, X tends to AXB or epsilon. The language accepted by the G is A power n, B power n, n not equal to m. Option B, A power n, B power n are n modulus of n minus m is equal to 1. Option C, A power n, B power n are n equal to m. Option D, A star, B, A power n, B power n union A power n, B power n, B star. Before going to solve this one, we have to write the language accepted by the each production. If you take x we have to go from bottom to top, because from these productions only we are getting. If you take x after that, by using x only we are getting b. From b we are getting a. From a we are getting s. So before going to that one, we have to write the language for x. So the language for x is A power n, B power n is greater than or equal to 0. For b, A power n, B power n is greater than m. For a power n, B power n is greater than n. For the production S, A power n, B power n is not equal to m. So the language accepted by the G is A power n, B power n is not equal to m, which is nothing but option A. From this question, we learn how to write the language for the given productions and how to find out the language accepted by the given grammar. Thank you.